We often think how an infant grows up into an adult. Due to multiplicative process of cells, an infant grows up into an adult. It states that cells are the building blocks or the basic unit of our body. Namaskar ma'am, I am Namah Tilwani, student of Cambridge Fort High School, Class 8C. My biology project is Structure of the Nucleus. Floating within the cytoplasm, in the center is a small spherical body called the nucleus. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. It directs the growth of the cell and controls all the activities that go on within the cell. Now we are going to talk about nuclear membrane. Nucleus is covered by a membrane known as nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is double-layered and permeable. This permits the nucleoplasm to interact with the cytoplasm. The external layer of nuclear membrane is in constant with the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum. The space in between the two layers of nuclear membrane is in constant with the lumen of endoplasmic reticulum. Now it's the turn for nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm is an extremely thick fluid which forms the ground substance of the nucleus. It resembles cytoplasm present outside the nucleus. Nucleoplasm surrounds chromatin and nucleus. It includes thick fibrillar network of proteins called nuclear matrix and numerous substances such as nucleotides and enzymes. Nuclear matrix forms structural structure for arranging chromatin. Chromatin is a thread-like product comprised of big molecules of DNA. The DNA molecules are compactly loaded with the existence of specialized standard proteins called histones. Chromatin is referred as DNA histone complex. It forms the significant bulk of the nuclear product. Chromosome is the rod-shaped nuclear structure that brings a total plan of all the genetic characteristics of that type. A chromosome is formed from a single DNA molecule. Each DNA molecule has numerous genes in it. All dividing cells of the body other than reproductive cells contains 23 sets of chromosomes. Each set contains one chromosome acquired one from mother and one from father. The cells with 23 sets of chromosomes are called diploid cells. The reproductive cells called gamete cells consist of just 23 single chromosomes. These are called haploid cells. Nucleus is a little rounded granular structure of the nucleus. The nucleus includes RNA and some protein. The RNA is manufactured by 5 various sets of chromosomes and kept in the nucleus. Later on, it is condensed to form the subunits of ribosome. All subunits are transferred to cytoplasm through pores of nuclear membrane. Ribosome play an important role in the formation of proteins. In this way, we can say that nucleus is the heart of the cell and controls all the activities of the cell with the help of nucleoplasm, nucleolus, nuclear membrane, chromatin and chromosomes.